Today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. So you are going to yarn over, insert your hook under the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Alright, you should have 3 loops on your hook now. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3. Alright, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops that are on your hook. Okay? Do a couple more so you can see it. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab your yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, and when you're pulling through, make sure your hook is pointed down, because if your hook is pointed down, it will slide right through all 3 of those loops. If your hook isn't exactly pointed all the way down, you might get hung. And that is how you do a half double crochet. And you'll notice this is a lot of people's favorite stitch because it's really easy to do, and it creates a slightly taller stitch than the single crochet, so it works up faster. Half double crochet, phenomenal stitch. Love it.